discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Hey, how you doing, sir? I'm JacobViral. Oh, nice. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Jeff. I got 2 ZV5s. There's a JP83 in the back. There's 2 U series on each sidewall.
Really? Okay.
They're in sealed boxes.
Nice. Sorry if I move this?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you have sealed boxes on the side, and then the ported on the back, and that sealed also?
No, it's ported.
Ported, okay. Just in the back. Oh, I see at the top.
Yeah.
This is unique. I don't think I've ever seen a box like this. So you have it fired into the cabin. Correct. Very nice. Who built this?
Me and my cousin, the one you was just in.
Okay. Good job. What's the all the equipment for like amplifiers and?
There's a JP83. There's a couple of SCAR amplifiers for mids and highs.
Okay.
And then for the mids and highs, they are the Def Bounce Arnolds.
Okay. Nice. And any upgraded alternator battery?
There's a JS320. Okay. And then the batteries are the Excess Power, I think the 41 series. There's 2 of those in the trunk.
Okay. Nice. And then the seats still go up.
Oh yeah.
So somebody can sit back there.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
When the seats go up, you don't see none of the back, you just see the sides.
Okay. I like it. And is that a 6-inch port?
It is.
Fired up? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll go look at that. What does it peak at? The tuning you make?
Probably about 35.
Okay.
It's completely sealed.
It is? Yeah.
From the trunk.
The trunk, yeah. But I'll go check out the amp and all of that in the back now, if that's all right.
Now, that JP83 don't look like the rest of them.
They don't?
I've got it coated. It's black metallic. It
Really?
don't look green like the rest
They don't?
of them.
Okay. All right, noted. I'm gonna take a picture real quick if that's okay.
Open the seat up if you want to.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Hit that lever, it'll move right out of you.
There we go. Oh, you got your other one. Yeah.
That's for the U's.
Okay. Nice.
See what it looks like.
Have you
Yes,
ever
sir.
seen anybody build subs in the sidewall?
Oh, it's a good idea because you still got your back seats and you can still play a sealed. It gives you a bass response on it. It's really smart. Sorry, go ahead.
You want to see what it looks like?
Yeah, I would love to. That looks pretty. Wow.
See how it looks? Oh,
Nice. It's so clean, you don't even know the subs are there now. And somebody could go back here like, you think it's just those, and your back is getting a massage. Nice. Appreciate it, man. Privilege. So is this built into the trunk a little bit for space?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Down into the power.
It's completely built into there.
Wow. That's nice and clean. And they painted this to make it a color they like.
Yeah. They didn't like the green.
It's all good.
Your window rolled up?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's pretty sweet, man. I like it. You have this open. It kind of helps breathe with the windows.
Makes it sound better with just the sunroof open.
Yeah, sunroof open, all this open, and the trunk open even. So, sounds good, man.